Here we have a 3-in-1 magnetic foldable wireless charger. So this is a charging station for multiple Apple devices. This is great to travel with. It's a docking charging pad for iPhone 14, Pro, Max Plus, 13, 12. AirPods can be charged with it, and the Iwatch. So basically it's 3 charging modules. So with a maximum power of 15 watts for cell phone charging, 5 watts for AirPod charging, and 2.5 watts for iWatch charging, you have it all in this one convenient package that can charge 3 items at the same time. And it could also support Android wireless charging mobile phones. So with this being foldable, that means it's easy to carry and take with you on the go. It's great to keep on the office desk or on the nightstand table or on your hotel room table. It has over current protection, over voltage protection, and over temperature protection, and can detect foreign objects. So simplify your charging needs, whether you're at home or on the go, whether you're Apple or different products, especially if you own the Iwatch. This gives you great flexibility when charging your devices.